The model building tools in scikit-learn require our data to be in a very specific format. In particular, all of the features must be encoded numerically, and they must be contained in a data frame or two-dimensional NumPy array by themselves. The labels should be contained in some sort of one-dimensional data structure, such as a list, an array, or a series. In the next cell, we're going to create a feature array called X containing the feature information for our iris dataset, as well as a label array called Y. So to create X, we're going to use the iloc, or index location, attribute of the iris data frame. We are going to slice out all of the rows because we do want all of the observations. And then we're going to slice out just the first four columns. These are the columns containing sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. And we're going to extract that out into the form of an array. It actually would be okay to leave this as a data frame, but nonetheless, we're going to convert it into an array. We can do that by putting dot values. This portion of code will return a data frame, but if you append dot values to the end of that, that will extract out the underlying two-dimensional NumPy array. Okay, similarly, we will use iloc to extract the column with index 4, in other words, the fifth column of the iris data frame. That contains our labels, Setosa, Virginica, Versicolor, and we will again put dot values on that to extract out the underlying array. Then we're going to print the type of both X and Y to see that they are in fact arrays, and then we will print their shapes. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this cell. And we see that both X and Y are now NumPy arrays. The shape of X is 600, 4. 600 rows for the 600 different observations, and 4 columns for each of the 4 features that we're considering. The shape of Y is 600, nothing, so that indicates it is a one-dimensional array with 600 entries.